With the cryptocurrency market still going absolutely wild in 2026, I'm always focusing on the biggest, latest cryptocurrency projects hitting the market right now, and that's where today's video is focused on. If you do enjoy, smash the like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell for future videos. Don't forget, this is not financial advice and only for entertainment. Era is one of the latest crypto projects hitting the market as a decentralized value ecosystem deployed on the Binance Smart Chain. The Era is a decentralized value growth ecosystem deployed on the BSC Binance Smart Chain, integrating privacy protection, intelligent finance, and liquidity management to advance inclusive financial ecosystem, all through on-chain smart contracts. The Era is able to reconstruct the foundation of finance without a central project team or privileged roles, looking to optimize the core mechanics such as LP depth, intelligent pricing, and rollback and burn protocols. Here are the core advantages of the Era. They have true decentralization with security, intelligent compounding, real liquidity, code-governed autonomy, and it's a low barrier to entry. So let's actually learn even more about Era, and here it's explained in one simple infographic. We have the project overview, we have the token issuance and distribution, project positioning, key highlights to come out of this cycle, referral tier rewards. There's also staking order redemption rules, profit tax policy, which is incentive orientated, and here the core project logic, which is actually a positive feedback loop. Don't forget, you can actually jump over to CertiK to check out the Era. Here it has had a security check by CertiK. We can see the current score and we can go through the Era project in depth. On the website, there's a bunch of promotional videos. We can go through the mechanism and models explained, an in-depth analysis of the Era's technical architecture behind this crypto project. Here, let's learn about the Era market maker yield mechanism. They have a staking with a maximum of 1,000 USDT per minute. They have a redemption, which is completed with the interaction contract address. Then the core logic of project operation. So use a simplified DApp, on-chain staking, then the steady appreciation, active trading. So we can learn even more about Era and their revolutionary 3 highlights: technical purity, model innovation, market adaptability. Don't forget, we can learn even more. Era's base pool liquidity mechanism, so we can understand exactly the trading pair available on PancakeSwap, which is LV over USDT. And we can actually check the main core LP tokens, the redemption mechanism, security and safeguards. And in one sentence here, the primary receipts, Cake LP, are burnt. The pool funds are permanently locked. Secondary receipts, which are compatibility tokens, track staking shares, burnt upon redemption. And then we see users receive the overall principal. Then some frequently asked questions about Era, such as exactly what it is, which we've gone over, and you can see it's a fully on-chain smart contract designed to create new DeFi yield opportunities that is open, transparent, and sustainable. Operates entirely through immutable contract logic, achieving full decentralization. So don't forget to continue on with all of the frequently asked questions available here so you can learn every single aspect about Era and exactly what they're offering to this crypto market. There we have one of the latest crypto projects, Era. If you have enjoyed the video, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.